Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to go back to the old school technique, meaning that we won't bring another product into our acrylic. We're only going to use water to dilute our acrylic, like we did a lot of time, like we called before, a bit like the Siqueiros technique. What I want to do, well, I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I want to do some kind of marble effect. So it's going to be more on the white color. I'm going to put the emphasis on the white, but I'm going to put other colors, as you're going to see, and we'll see what happens. We're going to do a recycling because I'm up to this point now because I have a lot of work that I did, but a lot of them, well, are not up to my satisfaction. So I'm going to recycle like we do always. It's not a problem. But the thing is, we're going to do a fluid pouring, but we're going to do the traditional way of doing a fluid pouring, meaning we're going to pour really from higher up our acrylic on our canvas. We're going to see what happens. It's going to be a dirty fluid pouring. I'm going to mix it in a cup, all my colors, then we're going to see what happens. So let's go and try it. So guys, I think it's a success. I think what we did looks really great. What I forgot to tell you is that I did use for two colors, the blue and the white, I did use a conventional painting, latex painting. I'm gonna have it, that's for sure. So I think it's a success. The only problem is that, well, it's a problem, but it's not if you, that's what you wanted to achieve. I did pour from higher up. What it does some bubbles, air bubbles, so that's a problem. I tried to get rid of some of it with the dryer, but some more are coming back. It's a shame because, well, I don't know how it's gonna look once it's dry, but just now I'm gonna try to get rid of some more, because the effect that we wanted to achieve, which was a marble effect, it's right on the money. We have it. It's really sober. It's something that it's nice. It's not aggressive. It's really going on the white color, but there's a lot of nice line on it that define like it would be marble. So I think like we say, it's a success, and you don't have to go overboard with product to achieve something that looks good. So that's another time that I think we just proved it. So I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna try it, because like always, it's simple. It's easy technique. You can do it with the children. That's what's nice about it, and there's a lot of experiment that you can do that's gonna bring you different results. That's always nice, because that's always a surprise, but most of the time it's a nice surprise. So guys, like always, thanks for being there, and subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys.